We are looking at how to pronounce the name of the longest and one of the most historically important rivers of Western Asia, flowing through Mesopotamia. In British English, this is said as Euphrates. We're going to be looking at how to say more important names from the Bible and from history as well, so make sure to stay tuned. In American English, this is said as Euphrates, Euphrates, or in British English, Euphrates. More important names from history and significant, very significant names from the Bible. Capernaum, 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 Bethsaida, Bethsaida, Bethsaida. Gethsemane, Gethsemane, Gethsemane. It's tricky, that one. Gethsemane. Yes, that's it. Emmaus, Emmaus. Caesarea, Caesarea. All of those are significant places in Israel mainly. Bethphage, Bethphage, Bethphage. Shittim, Shittim, Shittim. Gadarenes, Gadarenes, with an emphasis on the first syllable. Gadarenes. Tabga, Tabga. And one last one. This one is in Greece. Thessalonica, Thessalonica. And now you know all of these at least. If you want to learn more, here are more videos on how to pronounce more names of significant places and more biblical names whose pronunciations aren't always obvious. I'll see you there to learn more. Thanks for watching.